Right now, somewhere out there, a freelancer is losing a deal to an agency. Not because the agency does better work, because they look like they have an entire team behind them. That is the gap. Most solo operators spend their whole career trying to close it the wrong way. More hours, more stress, still coming up short on the deliverables that make clients feel confident. Here is what nobody tells you. You do not need a team. You need a system that makes you look like one. And Google's NotebookLM is the free tool that makes that possible starting today. I am Paul James. I help freelancers, consultants, and solo operators build lean service businesses using free AI tools. What I want to show you today is how to use NotebookLM to deliver polished, high-value work, the kind clients associate with full agencies, without adding a single person to your payroll. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. So here is the real problem. And honestly, it took me a while to see this clearly. Clients do not make buying decisions based on results alone. They make them based on confidence. They pay for the feeling that someone has their business under control, that there is a process, a system, a team working on their behalf behind the scenes. Agencies win deals not because their work is always superior. They win because they show up with intake decks, research briefs, and polished reports, deliverables that signal professionalism at every touchpoint. When you are a solo operator juggling multiple clients, producing that level of output feels impossible. You either rush through work to keep pace, or you slow down and risk losing the client's confidence. Neither one builds something durable. Here is where things get wild. Most people use Google's NotebookLM as a basic research tool. You upload documents, it summarizes them, you ask it questions. Useful? Sure. But that is a fraction of what it can actually do for a service business. What I figured out is that NotebookLM is actually a client deliverable engine in disguise. And this is the angle that completely changed how I operate. Every notebook you build becomes a living knowledge asset for that client. That asset can generate research summaries, audio briefings, strategy guides, and FAQ documents, things that look like a full team spent days on them. I call this the agency mirror system. Here is the core idea. You use NotebookLM to mirror a full agency's output capacity. No hiring required. You feed it your client's world, their content, competitor materials, industry reports, intake notes from your first call. NotebookLM processes all of it inside a dedicated notebook for that project. From that point on, it becomes your invisible team. One person doing the thinking, research, and deliverable production of 5. That is the leverage I was looking for. Back when I ran my first business out of my brother's garage, no budget, no connections, just a laptop and a refusal to quit. Let me walk you through how the agency mirror system actually works in practice. You start by creating a notebook inside NotebookLM for each active client or project. Think of each notebook as a private research workspace that lives entirely inside that client's context. You upload their source materials, blog posts, a competitor audit, strategy notes from onboarding, even an old deck from a previous vendor if they have one. NotebookLM reads every document and instantly builds a knowledge base from everything you loaded. Stay with me because this next piece is where it gets really useful. Once your sources are loaded, you can have a real strategic conversation with all of that material. NotebookLM does not just summarize individual documents. It connects ideas across sources. It surfaces contradictions. It finds gaps you would have spent hours identifying on your own. Ask it what topics their competitors are covering that they are completely missing. Ask it what questions their audience is probably searching for that nobody is answering yet. Ask it where the content gaps are. The answers come back fast, and they are specific to that client's world. It becomes a research partner built entirely around that client's world, and that is something agencies charge serious money to provide. But here is the output that really makes the agency mirror system work at the highest level. NotebookLM generates what it calls an audio overview. It is a two-host AI conversation. It breaks down everything in your notebook in a clear, professional format. You can share that audio with your client as part of a monthly deliverable. Picture your client opening their inbox to find a polished audio summary, their content landscape, their competitive gaps, your strategic direction for the month, all produced from your research notebook. That is a deliverable most solo operators have never even thought to offer. Full service agencies charge premium retainer rates for exactly that kind of executive briefing. Most people never realize this part. You can generate a study guide or FAQ document from any notebook in a single click, use those as client onboarding materials, use them as content briefs for social or editorial work, use them as monthly reporting assets. They show your client in plain language what you have been working on and why. Every output looks like a team has been deep in this account for months, and the client has no idea it came from one person with a free tool. I remember feeling completely overwhelmed trying to figure out how to compete with bigger operations. When I was just starting out, the gap felt enormous. Tools like NotebookLM and the right framework to use them close that gap fast. Now let us talk about where this turns into real income for you. If you are a freelancer, the agency mirror system changes your discovery calls entirely. You show up with a research notebook already built around your prospect's industry. You walk them through a structured competitive briefing. You play them a 60-second audio overview of their content landscape, generated inside NotebookLM, packaged and delivered by you. Suddenly, you are not being compared to other solo freelancers. You are being evaluated alongside agencies, and you win that comparison at a price point that makes the decision easy. Here's the thing. That positioning shift alone is worth more than any single deliverable. When you look like a system instead of a person, clients stop negotiating your rate. They start asking how quickly you can get started. If you run a small content or strategy operation, the system scales with you. Each client gets their own notebook, their own living knowledge base, their own output cycle. You stop starting from scratch on every account. You build on research that compounds over time. That is how one person scales to 10 or 12 clients without working 10 or 12 times as hard, without hiring anyone, and for anyone just getting started. Actually, let me back up for a second. This is the one that matters most. The agency mirror system closes the credibility gap before you have a track record. When a prospect asks what your process looks like, you show them a system. Notebooks, source libraries, audio briefings, structured reports. You look like you have been doing this for years, even if you started last month. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's a quick picture of how this plays out in practice. Imagine you land a new client. She runs a small e-commerce brand that sells handmade home goods and wants a better content strategy. You build a NotebookLM notebook for her before your first working session even starts. You upload their product copy, competitor content audits, and notes from your intake call. NotebookLM synthesizes all of it. You generate a content brief, a competitive FAQ, and an audio overview of their positioning landscape. You package those outputs into one clean deliverable and send it before your kickoff call. Your client opens it and thinks she hired a full strategy team. And honestly, in a way, she did. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. The deliverables you produce inside the agency mirror system are not just impressive, they are repeatable. Every client gets the same notebook setup, the same intake process, the same output schedule. You are not reinventing your process for every account. You are running a system. And systems are what let one person operate at agency capacity without burning out by month 3. Picture what 60 days from now looks like. A notebook running for every active client, research briefings, audio overviews, and content plans going out every month, each one taking a fraction of the time it used to. Clients renewing, referrals coming in, not because you got faster, because you got smarter about using a free tool your competition has not figured out yet. And look, that is not a far off scenario. That is what happens when one person stops working manually and starts running a real system. And the best part, that system costs nothing to build. NotebookLM is already here. Google built it. It costs nothing to use. The agency mirror system is how you turn it into a business that outperforms its size. One person. Agency-level deliverables. A client experience that keeps people renewing month after month. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.